The spiritual toolbox is a gift to us that is from heaven. Here are the instructions and guidance to help them work their best for you. We encourage them to be used as part of your spiritual practice, sort of like brushing your teeth and washing your face before you go out to meet the world every day. Full credit is given to Mark Gamma and Ava Maria Holstein, who brought to Gaia the first 8 tools. The collar is just like above, the turtle for protecting shield of Archangel Michael. Step 1. The protecting shield of Archangel Michael. This one cleanses you of negativity. Color blue. Purpose: dissolve negative energy and thoughts. Invocation: say these 3 statements and imagine blue light flowing to you. Archangel Michael, please come to me with your blue ray, blue flame. Archangel Michael, I beg you to envelop me into your blue ray, blue flame. Please protect me against everything not arising from the light, and foremost, not caused by love and divine consciousness. Duration 1 day, 24 hours, due to the law of free will. Drawback: if you have persistent negative thinking, it will weaken the shield and it will collapse upon itself rather than turn inward and destroy the negativity within, which may cause harm to you. Step 2, the protecting shield of Ascended Master Saint Germain. This one is a different energy from Archangel Michael and further cleanses and protects you from and your surroundings and everyone you meet. Color violet. Purpose: protection from outside influences that are unpleasant and affecting the situation you face in the outside world where you live, in order to be more harmonious to you in your daily activities. Invocation: say this statement and imagine violet light flowing to you. I ask you, please, Saint Germain, that you come to me with your violet flame. Next, give your order to the violet flame. It will follow your command. Here are some examples here how this may be done for your protection. Violet flame, protect me please against all negative energies and emotions reaching out to me, and achieve that these are all transformed into the light. Violet flame, I herewith give you my order to safeguard this location space against all energies and emotions of the negative sort, so that all here may live in peace and harmony. Violet flame, I herewith order you to safeguard the object against all negative energies and emotions, and requesting you to transform all those energies of the negative kind to be transformed to their contrary. Duration 1 day, 24 hours, due to the law of free will. Drawback: this one has no drawbacks to any situation where it is applied. Step 3. The self-healing flame of Archangel Raphael. This one is like turning the self-cleaning oven mode on within all that is not harmonious within your aura, body, mind, and spirit. Color: bright emerald green. Purpose: to rebalance all energies within you as permitted with the law of free will. Invocation: Say this statement and imagine bright emerald green light flowing in through the top of your crown chakra and rotating counterclockwise as it flows down through you and out your feet. Archangel Raphael, please come to me and bring your emerald green flame. Next, you command the emerald green flame. Here are some examples. I request you, sweet emerald green flame, that you heal me from all negative energies and emotions. I request you, sweet emerald green flame, that you heal everything in and around myself which does not serve me to my utmost well-being. I request you, sweet emerald green flame, that everything you heal, any negative energies I might have missed in my self-healing, and prevent them from ever returning to me again. Duration 1 day, 24 hours. Drawback. Your thoughts, feelings, and emotions belong to you as your free will has allowed it. Therefore, they belong to you and will return to you despite the daily use of the emerald green flame. By changing your intention in your interaction with the world, you will be able to heal yourself of long-standing patterns of negative energies and emotions. Step 4. The healing and transforming violet flame of Ascended Master Saint Germain. This is accompanied by brand new, never before available additional function of the violet flame to all humanity on Gaia to direct the healing outward to your surroundings and people you encounter in your daily life. Color violet with little flashes of white. Duration. May direct it backwards and forwards in time as long as the stated time is not too specific. For example, 4 to 6 p.m. is less preferred than afternoon because specific time frames do not allow for unplanned changes which may come up. Invocation 8. Traditional function of cleansing and clearing spaces. I call you, Saint Germain, to come here to me with your violet flame. Then give your particular order to the violet flame. It is highly intelligent and will obey all your order, and therefore it is essential that your order is formulated in a clear and distinct way. Here are some examples. I am ordering you to purge this room now, dissolve all negative energies, and submit these into realms of light. I am ordering you to envelop this object, dissolving all negative energies, and submit these into realms of light. I am ordering you to free this object and its interior from all negative energies and assuring simultaneously that none of these energies may leave this room and its surrounding space. Invocation B, new function. I call upon the violet flame of the Ascended Master Saint Germain, and I request you that all objects that I enter or inhabit will be liberated from any negative energies and emotions. All these low vibrating energies are to be transformed and led into the light. Step 5. The energizing light of Source, both Divine Mother and Divine Father together. This ray is much more powerful than typical rays as it is directed from Source and activates the God spark of Source which is within you. Color, whiter than white. Purpose, to supercharge your birthright as one who creates. Invocation. Say this statement and imagine a thin line of energy from source to enter your crown chakra and go right into your heart of hearts. I am calling upon the creative light to join me. Then imagine the light from your heart center expanding outward, brighter and brighter from within, until the whiter than white light of source is coming out from your every pore of your body. Stay in this space for a few moments. With regular use, you will have more energy and vitality from this practice. Duration 1 day, 24 hours for peak effect, but will linger 2 days. Drawbacks? None. Step 6. The transmuting energy of Archangel Metatron. This is a high energy cleansing beam of energy which is applied to non-organic, no animal, vegetable or mineral, with one very small exception, things to remove environmental hazards. Color silver violet. Purpose to eliminate the hazardous threats to Gaia and her delicate ecosystems posed by environmental toxins such as radiation, pollution, chemical waste, and toxic mold. Invocation. Say this and imagine the region of interest being permeated by silver violet light. I am calling upon you, Archangel Metatron. Come to me with your silver violet ray. Example given. Silver violet flame, this is my order to you. Transform all toxic and damaging matters found by you in order to prevent that humans and planet Earth are no longer exposed to such poisonous and harmful substances. Duration 1 day, 24 hours. Drawback. This is not to be used on any living being or creature or mineral on Gaia, with the sole exception of toxic mold organisms, as it is extremely harmful to them. Persons wishing to use this advanced technology, which is the same as that used by the Galactics, will have immediate consequences registered which may or may not be revealed to them in this incarnation. Ouch. Step 7. The dissolving flame of Archangel Jophia. This healing ray is only to be used with the permission of the person, place, or object being healed in the manner of the violet flame, but in a slow, delicate, and gentle way. Colorless. Purpose. To gently transform the negativity out of a person, place, or object while working with the free will of the desired target for the flame. Invocation. Mentally connect to Archangel Jophia and visualize the target. I call upon Archangel Jophia and his dissolving flame to come to me. Now give your orders to this flame. Here are some examples. I am calling upon you, Archangel Jophia, to come to me with your dissolving flame in order to liberate this location room from all negative energies and emotions. I am calling upon you, Archangel Jophia, to come to me with your dissolving flame, and I request you please to surround this object with your flame and dissolve all negative energies as well as emotions. I am calling upon you, Archangel Jophia, to come to me with your dissolving flame, and I request you please to surround all people here with your dissolving flame in order to dissolve all negative energies and emotions. Duration, as long as needed to complete the job requested of the dissolving flame. Repetition enhances the functionality of this flame. Drawback. You must always ask first for the permission of those involved before healing with this flame, since it would violate the law of free will. You must always to ask first for permission before whether you may proceed with the use of this energy on your intended target. Step 8. The self-healing ray of Archangel Raphael. This is the same emerald green flame with an enhanced method to use it on your own ailments which trouble you. Color, bright emerald green. Purpose, for use in self-healing on yourself. Invocation. Imagine bright emerald green light coming in through your crown chakra and lighting up every cell in your body. Archangel Raphael, I'm calling upon you and your emerald green flame to come to me. Let it continuously flow through your body and order this intelligent flame in how it may heal you. For example, emerald green flame, I ask you please to heal my spine from all and every pain and release these pains to you. Duration 1 day, 24 hours, with lingering effects for 3 days. They are cumulative. Drawbacks none. Step 9. The multicolored flame of victory from Archangel Metatron. This is a new technology that was given to inhabitants of Gaia's surface on Friday, April the 17th, 2015 to fill in the gaps of all other healing methods. Color. Rapidly flickering colors of all colors possible, including some from the higher realms which have never been seen on Earth. Purpose. To permit complete healing and to close any gaps in previous healing methods used, including the application of the 8 rays and flames described above. Invocation. Open your heart and ground tightly to Gaia. Imagine this ray coming in through your crown chakra and out your fingertips like a fan of light which extends outwards without limit. I am calling upon you, beloved Archangel Metatron. Come to me with your multicolored flame of victory, please, with all love and gratitude to you for your answering my call. This one does not need commands through spoken words. Simply use your mind or your hands to gesture where these healing flames are to go. Hold the energy connection for a moment or as long as it feels right. Then press the palms of your hands together to give thanks for the energy which was given to you. Duration 1 day, 24 hours. With lingering for 5 weeks afterwards as a trickle. It is very powerful, he says. Drawbacks. Your hands might need some time to build up to the energy. They will be dry. Take care to use extra lotion. Diabetics and those with very thin skin, be sure to ask for the dose which is allowable, as the energy will have to be stepped down somewhat. It is still highly effective for you to use this safely. Aloha and mahalos. Namaste. Peace. Reiki Doc. Reiki Doc at 5:35 a.m. Share.